Hello, this is Stuart Wright from the MG EVs community forum, and in this very short tutorial video I'm going to show you how to post a YouTube video. So we had a question today, actually it was a Wednesday, from Les Burrows saying he's not good with technical stuff and didn't know how to post a YouTube video into this particular thread. He's saying we should search for video by Young Driver with this title. So I'm going to show you, Les, and everybody else how to put a YouTube video into a post. So let's start by finding the video he was talking about. So what you do here is if you highlight this and right click, you can copy in Windows. Don't know how Macs work, probably something similar, but in Windows at least, right click, copy. And then I'm going to open up a new tab in my Chrome browser and go to YouTube. And then I'm going to highlight in the YouTube search and again right click and paste. There it is, hit enter to search. And this is the video he was talking about by Young Driver. So let's go to that video. I'm going to pause it. And so we basically want to copy the address of this video. Now there are two ways, quick ways of doing it. If you're using the app or in the browser here, you can just click the share button and copy. Another way might be just to go to the address bar at the top, left click highlights the whole address, right click, copy, copies it to the computer's clipboard. So anyway, I'm going to do it using the share. So click, go back to the thread, scroll down to the quick reply, put the cursor in there, right click and paste. There is the URL, the address of the video, post reply, and there it is. It's as simple as that. There you go, Les. Hope that helps, and everybody else too, how to quickly post a YouTube video in the forum. Thanks very much for watching.